Wait, you are a safe driver, and you are still paying full price on car insurance? Yeah, that is exactly what I thought. If you are a State Farm customer, there is a program that could seriously change that, and I am breaking it all down for you today. But first, there is a link in the description below where you can grab your discount or special offer, so make sure you check that out before you leave. Okay, let us talk about State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program. So here's the deal. Drive Safe and Save is State Farm's telematics-based discount program for auto insurance customers. It rewards you for driving safely and not racking up a ton of miles. And the best part? It costs absolutely nothing to join. When you sign up, you get an enrollment discount right away, somewhere between 5 and 10% just for joining. Then, as you keep driving, the program tracks your habits through the State Farm app, and at renewal time, your discount gets recalculated based on how you actually drive. Safe drivers can save up to 30%. That is real money back in your pocket. Now, how do you get started? You text the word SAVE to 42407, download the State Farm app, log in, and enroll each vehicle you want covered. Depending on your state, you might also need to pair a small Bluetooth beacon, but the app walks you through the whole thing, step by step. Pretty straightforward. You can also check the official page for details and availability. The app also gives you detailed trip maps and safe driving feedback after each drive, so you can actually see where you are doing well and where you might want to tighten things up. A couple of things to keep in mind. The program is not available in California, Massachusetts, or Rhode Island, and it does not cover motorcycles, RVs, or classic cars. Discounts also vary by state, so your results may differ. But if you are already a careful driver, this is honestly a no-brainer. You are already doing the work. You might as well get rewarded for it. The link in the description below has your special offer waiting. Go, check it out, and start saving on your car insurance today.